Got my oil cooler in. Comes with all new gaskets, oil cooler itself, new screen, let's go install it. I think it goes somewhere around in here. All right. Yeah, like that. All right, that should be good. All right, time to start it. Oh, I'm just kidding. That's not how you do it. No, we're gonna actually throw it on and that kind of stuff. So. Guess what I forgot to put on? Jeez. Well, as it turns out, I got a massive oil leak somewhere down there. And, whew, I just wasted the whole day on this thing, and it's still screwed up, so I'm gonna give up on it today. Not worth my time, honestly. I guess I'll end this video now. I'm too disappointed to even point the camera at myself, so thanks guys. Subscribe, like, comment. I also put a Sinister blue spring on this thing in the meantime, but either I got a bad kit because I bought a cheap kit, or there's something, you know. Something's not right though. If you have to do it twice, you might have to do it 3 times. Until next time.